Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about Microsoft CoPilot AI. So if you're not familiar with CoPilot AI, it's kind of like having a expert in Microsoft Office product, and you can ask the CoPilot AI in plain English. Hey, I want to make. We found the use case to be most useful in Excel. So, hey, I want to take this row and I want to move it over here and I want to create a graph, and it'll basically, you can ask it in plain text. I want to take the contents from this column and move it over here, or do a pivot table, or whatever it is that you want to do, or write me a formula that calculates the present value of interest, or whatever it is you're interested in. And what it'll do is it'll come up with the results and then say, hey, would you like me to paste this in? Or you can paste it in and try it for yourself. So it's kind of similar to having a Microsoft Excel guru behind your shoulder and just helping you out when you have something you're trying to do in Excel. And it supports other products as well, and PowerPoint and the whole Microsoft Office suite. Although we found that the people that get the most benefit out of usually the Excel Power Excel users. So anyway, if you haven't experimented with Copilot AI, you might want to give it a shot. You might have to bump up your license in Office to get Copilot to work, or you may know it might already be included. You just have to configure it. So anyway, that's the tip of the day. I'll put a link here with some more information on Copilot AI in case you're interested in trying it out. So that's our tip of the day. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. Check out Copilot AI. It might help you, especially in Excel. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.